So it is not frozen out here anymore. The tundra, oh my gosh, the sun is in my eyes. The frozen is gone from under the RVs.
Hi everybody. I am doing a routine, since we're under here looking for leaks, routine replacement of the water filters. We have one of these, which everybody has probably seen before. It's just a water filter canister. It goes on the water hose. And then we have, this is what I'm taking out. Contrast, this is the clean one. I'm gonna wash this out because it's dirty inside too. This is the one I'm taking out, and it's the one I'm putting in.
Did you see the color of that? Oh my gosh, that's... Ew. But like he said, that's why you change them, right? And not only that, we have another filter that we have, plus we also filter the water with a pitcher inside the house.
See here, I have a multi-port water connector, and I also have a nice water pressure filter regulator. And this is where the actual canister, this canister goes right here. It's in line. Now what the nice thing about having this is I can shut off, like I just turned this water on, and with this out, one of the advantages is if I had just turned this water on to clean this and I'd left this one open, water would have shot out of here, would have shot inside the RV. So what I did was I just turned off the valve to the RV. That way I can turn on the valve outside right here, so I can do this. That just twists on, nice and tight. Oops. That's broken.
We had a second one of these, so after we put this one on, then we're going to order another one, so in case this one breaks,
We'll have a backup.
we'll have a backup.
Lovely. Luckily, my wife is quite the handyman, and she had an extra one of these because the old one just was rusted out. It's a brand new one. I also have a brand new spare one of these. I have 3 of these sitting in a box down here. This one just goes in here. Nothing fancy.
Okay, since we're here, I want to take this opportunity to, first and most of all, thank my mom for sending us tools for Christmas so we can do specific things for the RV for this. So I'm gonna try on my tools. Oh my goodness, it's already working. Look at this. Okay, we'll have to redo the Teflon tape on that. Look at these. Look at these tools. See? This is everything. All of us RVers do this, but if you don't know and you're new to this, when you're doing your water thing, it's always a good idea to get Teflon tape. What is Teflon tape? It's just like Scotch tape, except that it's made out of plastic. And what you're going to do is you're going to wrap around this in your fittings. And what this is going to do is going to get you a tight seal, so when you hook it up to the filter right here, the last thing that you want is for water to be spouting out from in there. So this actually helps a lot. Sometimes we'll get the cheap fittings and it's not going to be absolutely tight. And we all know how they in the parks. You got water leak, they come and turn your stuff off. We shutting you down. There we go. Okay. So now that you have your little tape on there, to stick it in there. Let me go ahead and do the other side, because this is the one that is going to go on this side. No, on this side. Yep, right here, because this one goes on that side. All right.
I was actually working on this task, but handyman Nancy came out and took it over, so I could hold the camera.
Well, I am chief engineer of this starship after all.
And you do a fine job. Fine job.
I mean, it is my job to make sure that this starship's repairs are up to specifications, as required by Starfleet Regulation 4.9, Section B of Starfleet Code. Oh, and be careful when you're doing this. Don't nilly-willy grab this and do that. I did that once. It'll cut your fingers because the little threads on there are sharp. And if you do that, you get like 7 tiny paper cuts on your thumb. That wasn't pleasant.
7 tiny paper cuts.
Yeah, it's the little ones that hurt the most.
So this says in and out. I think these are backwards. Yep, yeah, it'll work. There's the leak we were talking about. It has been fixed. So this is going to dry now. Handyman Nancy is putting Teflon tape on each end of our hose extender.
Here we go, and see, like this, not.
Yeah, if you try to put your fingers on there and twist that tape on there, it's a good way to cut your fingers. Y'all don't have to buy hose extenders like this. I just like the flexible connector to go to the water faucet so it doesn't actually put pressure on this plastic piece right here. That's what this does. It's like a shock absorber.
I think that's good. I mean,
Yeah.
it's tight. It doesn't have to be super tight, but it's just so we don't get a leak.
All right, this one goes on the other side.
And okay, we'll have to put some more Teflon tape on this side. I mean, that's the pain in the butt, is putting the Teflon tape on everything, but I don't know what's more a pain in the butt, putting the Teflon tape on there, or once you fixed everything
And have a leak.
and put it all on and turn it on, and you have to take it back off because it's leaking.
You may ask yourself, do you want to put Teflon tape on this thread?
Yeah.
This is the nasty old one that came off. This is the replacement. Let's try this again, shall we? And action! This is the finished product. This has got a new canister with a new filter. It's got a new extender on here. We keep extra extenders in case of situations like this. The one we had just broke. And the next thing we're going to do is we've Teflon taped each end of this. And now we're going to go to the water connector. I have a multi-way water, but I have only one with a water pressure regulator on it. That's how easy it's supposed to be.